So today we're unboxing a new Seiko Presage, the SSA343. Here we go. And this one comes in the usual deluxe white box from Seiko. There. Well, really handsome looking watch. It definitely fits in with the Seiko Presage series. Looks kind of like an upgraded version of some of the older models. Interesting, real high polish or shiny finish on that watch band, and it's got a dark blue stitching on it. Very nice Seiko Presage overall. Let's take a closer look at this in a minute. Here we go. So what's kind of neat about this watch is it's an automatic like other Presages, but what makes it a little different is it's got the, I want to call it like a gas gauge, but a power reserve. You know, it starts there at the 12 and ends about the 4 o'clock marker. You can see some a little different, but that way you kind of know how many hours you got left on your automatic watch there before it stops. This is 23 joules, and it's got about a 41-hour power reserve on it. The caliber for this watch is the 4R57, so it's about the same as other similarly priced Seiko Presage watches. And you can see there the gold rotor. Overall here on the back, on the band, the strap there, you can see overall a really nice watch for the price point. With the Presage, I wish they would go up to a 6R movement, you know, give us a little higher end movement in the watch. Maybe it'd be a little more expensive, closer to around $1,200. You know, that for me is kind of like would be an ideal Presage watch. But this watch is really handsome nonetheless. It's got the box crystal like most of the other Presage watches, and you can see it there. It is a pretty thick watch. It sits pretty high, especially for a dress watch, but that's probably my only other complaint about it. Overall, a great watch, and honestly, for the price, you really can't do too much better when it comes to that. See it moving there on the face, and here it is on my wrist. So you see, it's not really an overpowering watch. Again, the only thing that makes the watch sit a little bigger would be the thickness. So the case thickness is 14.5 millimeters. Again, it's a little thick for a dress watch. The box crystal is a Hardex crystal. And there you go. Hope you guys enjoy it. Watch strap is a 20 millimeter for those of you who like to change it. Hope everyone has a good day. Thank you.